Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Darrick, and Darrick is here to go ahead and fine-tune his frontal hairline. He recently had some SMP performed, which is micropigmentation or tattooing of his hairline. A little bit off, so I'll go ahead and fine-tune that frontal hairline. But I'm also working with beautiful dreadlocks, so all almost down to the floor, which beautiful to work with, great hair quality to work with. Darrick, how excited are you? Looking forward to this procedure?
Very, very excited. I did my research and found out that you're one of the best. So here I am.
You are here. It's nice and early in the morning, about 8:30 in the morning, and looking forward to moving a lot of hair and getting you your new frontal hairline back and your temples.
Oh, yeah.
Also going to go ahead and work right here where that micropigmentation was, where he's lost some hair here. But just fine-tuning this frontal hairline and making sure we reinforce that frontal third hairline. So we just completed drawing out the hairline. Pretty much followed where his SMP line was, his micropigmented area was. On this side, I did have to lower it just a little bit. I felt that it was a little off. Not that we're looking for 100% symmetrical, but very close. Definitely going to fine-tune the temples. And looking forward to moving forward with this hairline. All right, we are now halfway done. Darrick, how are you feeling?
Feeling good. Feeling good.
We jam-packed that front. I cannot wait to show the audience what your final results are going to look like, let alone how it's going to look at the end of today. Worst part of the procedure was the local anesthesia.
That's it.
But the rest of it has been really relaxing. Great music selection.
Even dozed off for a minute. So yeah, it's a great process.
And here I am with Darrick. We just finished up. Let's go ahead and take a look at everything. Great new frontal hairline. He had the micropigmented area already there, so was using that to my advantage. Went a little bit further where he started having some weakness in his hairline and definitely focused on his frontal hairline and his temples. How was your day today?
Day's good. So far, good. Excited about the experience and where it's going.
Love the hairline that you have. Looking forward to seeing lots of growth. We will check up on you throughout the year, 4 months, 9 months, and at 1 year. You have my personal cell phone number. And again, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. We'll follow Darrick through this journey.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.